Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube's video. In today's video, I'll teach you how to make a resume using ChatGPT. First of all, I'll write build a resume for me in LaTeX using an appropriate template. Then I'll write a little about the job I'm applying for and the details after this. For example, contact number, experience, skills, etc. and press enter. And then it will give you this weird looking code. Just copy it and go to overleaf.com. I'll copy it and go to overleaf.com. I'll click on new project and blank project. Write the name here. I'll name it resume and click on create. Then I'll paste the code here and click on recompile. And your resume will be created. This is how you can create your resume using ChatGPT. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.